We just got done with work. Last estimate I was going to, told the guy it'd be a couple days. He said that's fine, not a problem. I get there and they got a crew doing the roof. So I kind of wasted that run. And instead of getting anything else, this lady figured I'd wrap up, come home, because I was on the west end of the county. We're gonna grab the crossbow and just go down for a bullshit quick hunt because there's a couple of really nice bucks going on down here. I gotta bring the GoPro in 1080 at 30 frames. See if we can see anything, get down to the shack real quick, real quiet, sit for an hour and a half or so, come up and be here for helping with dinner. Water is super ass loud, so I'm just gonna drink it real quick. From here you can't quite see the shack, but it's straight through that thick cluster of trees just at the wood line that you can see. We're gonna go down, get into it, and about 10 to 30 yards east of there is where the deer have been roaming through. And for the past 2 weeks on camera, as the does go by, the bucks have been coming in behind. There looks to be a 9-point and a 10-point roaming through there. Real nice. They've been coming out an hour before dark and up to about 2 hours after sunrise. The only downside is it's about 65, 70 degrees out right now. A little warm this week. This is my first hunt this year, November 4th, 5th, something like that. Just because I haven't had any time to. So I'm taking advantage of what little hour left I have. Just gonna leave this and get it on the way back up. So this time of night, time of evening, they should be coming from this direction primarily, or down off of this side, because my neighbor's property is real thick. It's not been taken care of. They had a pasture that's just grown over to thicket and immature trees just stacked, so it's a big bedding area, just about 50 yards that way. So there's a trail right down this way. You can see the trail cam back about 30, 40 yards on a black walnut tree. I'm gonna shut the camera down for a bit, save the power, and turn it on if I see anything or hear anything. Jesus Christ. Holy f***, did I get that on camera? That f***ing bird flew into my face. Like, right here. Oh my god, I'm recording. I got that. God. My heart blew out of my chest. Got my hands on here just resting, you know, resting my head on my hands. And that bird come up out of nowhere. Just right into my face. Can't wait to watch that back 5 minutes in. Damn. Be one thing if I saw him coming, but I just came up from down there. Just getting too hard to see through. We're gonna go ahead and call it and head up. Technically and legally only have a half hour after sunset or a half hour before sunrise. So I think like 5:58 would technically be the last point you could shoot, hunt, or have your knock back, your arrow back. Maybe try to come back tomorrow morning, possibly. Thanks to Eric for grading this. Oh, there goes a rabbit. It's right on the left side. You see the white cushiony tail. There he goes up the hill. Eric came down and kind of cleared the trail, graded the hill here, so we can walk up and down it easy with Amelia and get the four-wheeler through here. My hope and plan is to get a tractor where I'll be able to keep this maintained and keep the trails clean, bush hog, put a food plot in.